Right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. We are back better than ever. Got new production and everything. So yeah, I'm excited about today's video. It's your boy. My name is Randy, and the guy next to me is
Brett.
his name is.
Brett.
Right. So without further ado, today we're gonna talk about one of the most controversial rappers out there. One of the most controversial figures that you will ever meet in your life. Today we're gonna talk about Mr. Kanye West, Mr. Yeezy himself. So
Mr. Crazy.
don't call him that, man. The guy is sensitive. We don't want him to call us industry plants. You see, even though we have like 40 subscribers and we get like 100 views on one video. So yeah, first and foremost, what do you think about Kanye West?
What do I think about him?
Yes.
He's crazy. That's all I can say. He's crazy.
How fucking sick was that?
He's not normal. You need to go to like
To,
what do you-
uh,
to
to Arkham Asylum.
what is that?
It's where all Batman villains are.
Yeah.
So
No, a therapist. You can go to a therapist.
therapist
Yo,
is not gonna help him.
a therapist.
You think somebody didn't recommend him to go to a therapist after everything?
No.
You see, after all the
He's following his own his mind ideas. So no one
like
can
Cat
convince
Williams
him to
said,
go to a
when he
therapist.
said, like Cat Williams said, when he said I was a god, people encourage him. Like yes, you are a god. You see, so
Everybody says, who does he think he is? I just told you who I thought I was. A god. I am.
we basically love with that mentality. People think I'm a god, so I'm gonna act like a god. You see?
Yeah.
So
He have that mentality of he can do what he want to do at
So-
any time to anyone. There was one time he was grabbing on stage Taylor Swift's award
But-
in
But listen,
on
yeah,
stage.
but people said he was to protect her from Beyonce.
Protect her
yeah.
from Beyonce.
Yeah, because if you don't say thank you to Beyonce, they're gonna like destroy your music career or maybe allegedly try to assassinate you. But nobody knows because him and Taylor Swift are still friends to this day, you see. Even though he basically humiliated her, you see, like he took a game and said, Beyonce is one of the best videos of all time. Yeah. So you think it's crazy? I think Kanye is misunderstood, you see, like many people.
Misunderstood.
Yes. Like
You call it misunderstood.
I call him misunderstood. Yeah.
Why?
Like, in a perfect world, he would be socially acceptable, you see, but kind of that mentality like I can do anything, you see. Similar to me, like I believe I can do anything. It's just
But you can't do anything like
Yeah,
stuff he's doing. You can't do stuff like
yeah,
that.
you can't do anything, but if you want to, then I believe it's possible. But
Yeah,
yeah,
but
it's true what you said.
you see-
Because one time he said like you want to buy the earth,
Yeah.
like
I'm gonna buy the entire earth and be king.
You can't say just anything.
Okay, next question. Where would you rate Mr. Kanye West's music? Like all of
Okay,
his music, like from 1 to 10, where
From
would you
1 to
rate it?
10,
Yeah,
I'll give his music like a 8.
8.
8, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'd also give it a 8.
His older music, not the newer ones. The newer ones
The
is
newer one where he gave his cousin.
I don't like the newer ones. His older versions.
Okay, next question. Would you, let's say you're on Kanye West's shoes, yeah? You're in his position in life. Would you have married Kim Kardashian after the
After the sex tape,
after the tape? Yeah. Would you like married Kim Kardashian?
but I marry her after I saw the sex tape. Of
Yeah.
maybe.
You're Kanye West, maybe. That
Maybe.
time you see
But
one of the biggest artists, the guy that beat 50 Cent in weekly sales for his album.
but there are a lot of girls doing that, like, but not on camera. They busy sucking people, guys, and the guys is doing like stuff to them,
Let's keep it PG.
but not on camera. So why not?
But the difference is, if you start a life, there will be like a mountain that will be forever on you. You see, like your children is gonna see it, or they're gonna get mocked in school. You see, so basically, I think why guys don't go for ladies, they do this stuff on camera. They think about the kids. You see, if you fall in love with her, then it's a totally different story. Or like if you accidentally had a kid with her, then it's a different story. But yeah, I don't believe that I would be able to do it. You see, because
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you.
We don't care.
there are more beautiful Kardashians. You see, like Courtney and Kendall. You can throw Chloe in there also if you want to. Let's jump to a quick question. Quickly. Which Kardashian would you want to date and why?
Chloe, not Chloe. What's the youngest?
Kylie.
Kylie. Yeah,
Okay.
she have less bodies on her.
How you know that?
I just tried, my boy. I see you dripped out. Talk to me. How much your fake? Start with that. How much the hat?
How do you know that?
Because she's younger than most of them.
I know women younger than her that have more body counts than people in the industry.
But it's a fact that all her
Ah, it's
sisters
not-
has
it's not a
more
fact.
bodies than her.
It's not a fact. You see, Like
How old is she?
she's I think she's 25. I'm not
25.
sure.
You see.
Yeah.
So maybe she started having shit from.
My man, she dated
18.
Tiger. She dated Tiger when she was 50.
But I don't care. That's why I'm choosing.
So she started early. So you never know. But yeah, me, I would choose Kendall. She's one of the most naturally beautiful Kardashians.
Kendra.
Yeah, he's the one above Kylie. But yeah, what do you think about Kanye's new relationship with his wife Bianca Censori?
What do you think? What do I think about this relationship?
About his new wife?
With your wife? Isn't it divorced?
I don't know.
I
We
think
never
he
know.
divorced. No. No.
After this stuff in Italy, did you saw that picture?
Yeah. That
And
guy's.
in the recent Grammy outfit, they weren't even invited. Did you see?
I saw it.
So what do you think about him dressing up his wife like that? Because I heard there's a reason why he's doing this stuff to women.
Why?
For those who don't know, he was in a relationship with Amber Rose, and she basically says kind of likes it when men lust over his woman, where men like want his woman, but deep down they know they can't get him. You see, like he would let his lady walk naked around his friends. Like he want his friends to desire his woman, but they know they can't have her. It's almost like let's say you have like a PlayStation and you invite the guys over. Everybody's having fun, but deep down they know they can't take it home. They can't play with it at home. You see? So,
That's why I told you he's crazy. You can't do stuff like that.
there are people that have done more worse, you see. So what's your favorite song about Kanye?
My favorite song.
And can you rap like a verse out of it?
Runaway. But I'm not gonna rap. But Runaway.
About him and Pusha T.
Yeah.
I heard about it. I don't really know it. So you believe that is the most perfect song? Like it's your favorite song?
My favorite song, yeah. Out of all those songs. And yours?
It have to be All Day.
All day.
How long?
Can you rap it?
I
or
can't
sing
rap it. Like I
Is
only
this-
know like people saying yeah, take it easy, 20 G's for the Yeezys or for eBay. Niggas done the most and it ain't even shit. You never heard
I
about it?
never heard that song.
Maybe you will heard about it, then maybe you will love it. You see? So you see like in one of his songs, which one was it? Flashing Lights. Like one of his closing verses, he say, I hate these ninjas more than I hate the Nazis. You see? And fast forward, He's now a big Nazi supporter. Do you know about the Nazis? What is it?
A Nazi. It was the German mafia group that was killing
It
people.
was not the mafia group. It's basically Hitler was running it, and he was pleading genocide on the Jewish people. Basically, he wanted to erase all Jewish people, and he hated black people. You see?
So Kanye West was supporting
Yes, he says
the movement of
yeah,
the group.
like it's been long gone, but he say like he would like if he was living in that time, he would have supported him. So what do you think about it?
But Hitler,
Hitler?
if there was black people living in the country that
No,
time,
like he
Hitler would have killed the black people also.
yeah,
So why is he supporting
and
guy
he
who would
even
have black
what do you
people?
call it sterilize the black people so they don't interfere with impregnating white people. You see?
Yeah.
So yeah, Hitler was a crazy guy. He killed millions of people. So by supporting something like that, I think it's wrong. you
He's
see?
fucked up. I told you he's crazy.
Okay.
Proving my point right every time.
Yeah. Let's say Kanye would have run for president. Would you vote for him?
No.
Because you remember he's on presidential rally, like basically where he's like trying to run for president. You see, and that scene he made like, my mom saved my life.
My mom saved my life. There would have been no Kanye West.
And he started crying out of nowhere.
Busy.
So you wouldn't vote for Kanye?
No. The reason why everyone in America would just live in fear because they don't know his next move or what he's gonna do next.
So basically, he's
In the
gonna be
country.
like a tyrant king.
Yeah. And it's like a kid who has mood swings. If he's feeling bad or angry, he's just gonna do something in the country that would just piss off people.
Mm.
So what do you think?
I wouldn't vote for him because the way how he acts, you see, like I don't believe there's the person that have the right state of mind to run a country. You see, so what do you think about his beef with Drake and everything he have done? Like remember
The beef with Drake.
remember the interview where he said basically all of them came together like the Avengers, like to take out Drake. And he was serious when he didn't even say like a joke. He basically say, look, we guys came together like the Avengers because Thanos is a threat and we have to.
But he can't make up his mind. Does he like Drake or he don't like Drake? Because some
But I
interviews
think the
say he like
reason
Drake. In some interview he's dissing Drake. So
yeah, because Drake allegedly had something with Kim Kardashian. That's why Kiki like people
Yeah,
say it's about Kim
Kiki.
Kardashian.
and there was one song when him in Travis Scott Sicko Mode.
Mhm.
In the song he was saying they said his house was I think 2 blocks away from Kim. So in the song it was like
Dissing, sneak dissing.
sneak dissing ya kanya.
Oh yeah. What is one of the most ridiculous quotes that you have heard from him? Like something he said, and it's like, what is this guy like serious?
Quotes.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
Like for mine was like in an interview they asked him, look, would you allow your ex to go to a no, would you allow your girl to go to her ex's funeral? And he said, you mean if I killed him? So then I said, now would you allow your girl to go to her ex's funeral?
Yeah.
Why?
Why? Because they like had the relationship before me. If they was cool with each other and she want to go, she can go. But yeah, why would I stop her?
Just know that if my ex went and somehow ex's grave is getting blown up, it wasn't me.
So you're gonna hold a grudge against that guy.
Why would you wanna go? Why was you gonna go? Why would
see,
you wanna go cry over him? What you had was
no,
over.
It's just out of respect going
For
to
what?
the guy's funeral just to be there. They was in a relationship, so why wouldn't she go? If your ex
Imagine,
If your
imagine
ex died
how would
today.
she feel if my ex arrived in my funeral and is crying? I don't think she would like it. But anyway, let's leave this.
Maybe
up.
all of your exes will
Today's
be
video is
there.
about Kanye West. Okay, so what do you think about his Yeezy clothes?
It's easy close. I kind of like the shoes. I'll give it like a 6 out of 10. The shoes.
The only thing I
But the
like
clothes
about
I don't like.
the only thing that I like about his clothes is his long sleeve clothes.
Mm.
You see those ones that the neck collar basically is like cut out. You see, like I believe it. If you had a t-shirt like that, it's gonna make you look more aesthetic as a male. You
Mm.
see, so that t-shirt I will give it like a 10 out of 10. But so far everything I don't like it.
What do you think about his drop? Sometimes he's wearing
Ah,
stuff like
That guy,
he's
that
going
guy,
to the
that guy wanna
awards
be,
with a mask on his
that
face.
guy wanna be an innovator, but sometimes it's ridiculous. You see,
Oh,
like,
he has like boots, like
I
look
saw
like
one time
water boots.
he had a fight. He cut his hair like in a fight, but he didn't let the barber finish the fight, and he thought like that would be the new hairstyle, but it looked ridiculous. You see, and one time he had a video. There was a video where he climbed in the car, and everybody could see that guy had no underwear on. You see.
Kanye, we love you, Ye. Ye, take a picture, Ye. What's going on? Oh, ain't got no drawers on.
That guy's making a fool out of himself. So,
But one thing I liked about him, his marketing stunt. He was selling his clothes for like $200. You see, and he made like a Yeezy ad from his phone where basically he said, "Look, my clothes is gonna go from $200 to $20. You see, and he's gonna give a refund to everybody who purchases it for $200. So now everybody's like, look, I want this clothes, but it was $200. Now it's like $20. So I'm definitely gonna buy it. You see, so it was like it's almost like, look, you want the stuff, but it's expensive. But now it's cheaper now. Like, hey, I have to buy it no matter what, because it is
it's
cheaper
cheap,
now.
yeah, cheaper.
You see. So what do you think about the beef between him and Kai Cenat? Him basically calling Kai Cenat the industry plant, even though Kai Cenat was grinding like for a long time. You see,
But why did they beef over the clothes?
I'm not sure.
I think he sent guys not like pants, but the pants was too
not
big.
pants, trousers.
Trousers. The trousers was too big for Kaisenat. So Kaisenat was just showing on a video how big the trousers were. So we got made it Kaisenat for making fun out of the trousers. But I think he's overreacting. Yeah.
That's how Kanye is. Like, if you get in his bad side, then that guy is gonna come for you. You see. So yeah, I think basically this video is about Kanye West. So I still enjoy his songs, you see. And there's one more question: what do you think about him in his cousin situation?
I don't want to talk about it.
Like, he openly admitted in a song, and he said it like repeatedly. Me and my cousin, we found some stuff. We watched it. And at this moment, I gave my cousin. Hey, you know
He's
that song?
proving my point.
And he said, even in the song, he even said in the song, I hope you don't tell anybody about this. And years later, he's telling the whole world about it. You see, and one of his cousins is in jail. So imagine you're his cousin, you brag about everybody. Hey, look, Kanye West is my cousin. Even though it wasn't you, like, people in jail are gonna look at you funny, like, hey, your cousin gave you, like, you know what? And even if you are related to Kanye and you're Kanye's cousin, like, everybody's gonna look at you like, cause they don't know who he is. You see? So, what do you think about it?
Like I
And
said,
the thing is, so Kanye, he was, I think, 13 years old, so he basically knew what he was doing. And his cousin was like 11, so basically it's like
11.
yeah, so he was basically molesting his cousin. You see?
But I think that guy, that's why I said he's crazy, so can't argue about it. Crazy people. He belongs to he needs to go to a therapist or go to a,
You think he didn't go to a therapist before?
I don't know. I think that even a therapist can can't help him. So there's no hope for
So
that
there's
guy.
only one guy in it that can save the world from Kanye West.
Oh.
Take him to Arkham Asylum. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it's been your boy Randy, and the guy next to me,
Brett.
his name is
Brett.
Peace out.